This woman found a baby hedgehog who was having difficulty breathing. She noticed that her family wasn't around, so she brought the baby home and raised her under her care. Before long, the hedgehog showed incredible progress and her little quills began to show. The woman introduced the baby to her puppy, but she couldn't open her eyes yet. The baby grew stronger every day and she couldn't wait to see the beautiful home that she was in. A few months passed by and the baby hedgehog is all grown up. She turned into a beautiful creature that loved to eat strawberries by the pool and found her forever home. If you want her to, subscribe.